everyone. Welcome to our channel. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Today happens to be a first day on the channel. Kindly subscribe. Kindly watch the video to end to see how the process go. Kindly subscribe, share and comment. Today you learn, or if you want to see how Google Play Store history, or how to see Google Play Store app downloads. The app you download from Google Play Store, if you want to see all the app is on your phone. This is the procedure. First, you go to Google Play Store. On the Google Play Store, the arrow circle where the face is, you click it, you click there. You go to app, go to manage app and device. You click on that one. Manage app and device. You see manage overview. You see manage. You click on manage. So now all these things are the app that you have downloaded from Play Store. All these things is the app that you have downloaded on your Play Store. All these things is the app that you have downloaded in your Play Store. So if you want to see if you have, maybe you have downloaded a game that you want to see whether it is on the Play Store, you then come to game. You click on the game. So this is the game on my Play Store, or this is the game I have downloaded, or this is the game on my phone. So if you have another game on your phone, you will see it there. So the 5 or 6, 7, if the games that we have, you see it here. So this is how you can see. So this is the app that I have downloaded on my Play Store. When you follow the same step, you will see app that we have downloaded on your Play Store. Kindly subscribe to our channel, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.